Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to WeeklyTools. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY mechanics and car lovers out there, the Autel MaxiAP AP200 OBD2 scanner. In this video, we'll be diving into its features, performance, and why it might just be the perfect tool for your garage. Now, let's jump right in. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. So, what makes the Autel MaxiAP AP200 stand out in the crowded world of OBD2 scanners? Well, let's start with its sleek design and compact size. This little gadget is portable and easy to handle, making it a convenient tool for both professional mechanics and DIYers. This handy little device plugs into your car's OBD2 port and connects wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet, transforming it into a powerful diagnostic tool. Features: all system scan. Unlike basic code readers, the AP200 scans beyond just the engine, covering key systems like transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. 19 service functions: reset oil life, service lights, brake pad wear, and even perform battery registration and throttle adaptation, all without a trip to the shop. Autoven and Autoscan: no need to manually enter complex codes. The scanner automatically retrieves your car's information and initiates a comprehensive scan with a single tap. Live data and freeze frame: monitor key engine parameters in real time and capture snapshots of data when a fault occurs, pinpointing the issue efficiently. OBD2 functions: read and erase trouble codes, view I/M readiness status, and perform smog tests with ease. User-friendly app: the Autel MaxiAP AP200 connects to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, turning your device into a powerful diagnostic tool. The dedicated app, available for both iOS and Android, provides a user-friendly interface and allows you to access a variety of functions. One of the standout features of the MaxiAP AP200 is its extensive vehicle coverage. The AP200 code reader car diagnostic tool works with most American, European, and Asian OBD-compliant models manufactured from 1996 to 2018. Here are some pros and cons about Autel MaxiAP AP200. Pros: affordable price compared to professional scanners, wide range of diagnostic capabilities, user-friendly app and interface, compact and portable design, 19 built-in reset functions for common maintenance tasks. Cons: requires a compatible smartphone or tablet, not included. Additional car brands require in-app purchases. And there you have it, folks, our review of the Autel MaxiAP AP200 OBD2 scanner. If you're serious about keeping your vehicle in top-notch condition or just want to have more insight into its performance, this little gadget is definitely worth considering. If you've used the Autel MaxiAP AP200, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, subscribe for more tech reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy wrenching!